Guys, we are going to add 5 already cooked potatoes in a container, with half a kilo of ground beef. We are going to add paprika. Add a little more salt to taste. And chimichurri to taste as well. To give a special taste, I added some green smell to taste. And we are going to mix all these ingredients well, so that they incorporate the meat and become very tasty. We put a lot of parsley, but it's to taste. I'm sure that when you prepare this recipe at home, everyone will love it. After mixing it well, we add here also 2 chopped purple onions and 3 cloves of minced garlic. And let's mix it up so that it's well integrated. And if you like easy recipes, leave them in the comments. I love easy recipes. Now that we've mixed it well, we are going to take one part of the meat, half of it, and put it in a baking dish greased with olive oil. Let's make a layer in the bottom of the baking pan. Then we are going to add grated mozzarella cheese. Spread it well, and then add the rest of the ground beef, and spread it well too. Now add the cream cheese and spread it well. This recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home and tell me what you think. Once added, add the tomato sauce, add it to the top layer that way. Then add the sliced tomatoes. After placing the tomato slices, let's cover with mozzarella cheese again, to give a super special flavor. After that, take it to the oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. And our recipe is ready. See how delicious it is. Very easy to do and super delicious. I am sure that if you make it, everyone will love it too, and look how wonderful people are. I hope you have enjoyed. Stay with God and until the next recipe.